Hello friends, myself Mr. Kamlakar Kalekar welcomes you in my channel Tips for Easy Learning. Today's topic is related with pharmaceutical incompatibility part 1. Learning outcome. A learner will be able to know various aspects of pharmaceutical incompatibility, that is, define incompatibility, classify incompatibility, identify type of incompatibility in a given prescription, and suggest a suitable method to overcome it. Now, we will discuss about definition of pharmaceutical incompatibility. Pharmaceutical incompatibility can be defined as when two or more pharmaceutical ingredients are mixed together, which results in an undesirable product which may affect the safety, efficacy, or appearance of pharmaceutical preparation. Now, it is a time to ask a question. Do you think that pharmacists should read the prescription in view of pharmaceutical incompatibility? If yes, then why? If no, then why? Pause the video for some time and write your answer in a notebook. Yes, you are right. The pharmacist should read the prescription carefully in view of pharmaceutical incompatibility to determine whether the prescription is pharmaceutically incompatible or not. Because if given prescription is incompatible, it may affect the safety of medicament, or it may affect efficacy of product, or it may affect appearance of product. Due to this, the product may not be useful or safe for the patient. Sometimes it may not produce a required pharmacological action, or may produce pharmacological action which is not intended by the prescriber. The product may alter in its appearance, which may cause doubt in the mind of the patient. So, if pharmacists determine that given prescription is incompatible, then it is the responsibility of pharmacist to correct the incompatibility by using a suitable method. Before that, we must know various types of incompatibility. The different types of incompatibilities may be either physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, and therapeutic incompatibility. Now, the pharmaceutical incompatibility, which may be of either one of the above three types. So, we must find a suitable method to correct it. Now, we will discuss about physical incompatibility in detail. The definition of physical incompatibility it is when two or more than two substances are combined together, a physical change may take place and an unacceptable product may be formed. Such physical change, it may occur which in a prescription it is always visible. That means the physical change, it can be find out or viewed through the naked eye. It can be also corrected by applying a pharmaceutical skill. Now we will find out various causes of physical incompatibility. The physical incompatibility which may be caused due to immiscibility, for example, presence of oil and water in a given prescription. Second is insolubility, for example, when chalk powder and water are prescribed in a given prescription. Third is precipitation, for example, when resin and water both are prescribed in a prescription. The fourth cause, that is liquefaction, for example, presence of eutectic mixture. That is, in a given prescription, there may be a combination of camphor, thymol, and menthol. Now, such different physical incompatibility can be corrected. The remedy for them, it may be first one, that is by changing the order of mixing of the prescription ingredient. Second is by addition of emulsifying agent if two immiscible liquids are there. Third correction may be by addition of suspending agent if a solute is insoluble in a given solvent. Next remedy, it is by changing form of ingredient of the medicament. And last one, that is by addition, substitution or omission of therapeutically inactive drug. Now we will discuss one of the example of physical incompatibility. Now we observe here the prescription which contains castor oil 15 ml and water 60 ml. We are asked to prepare an emulsion. Now we see in the above prescription that castor oil and water both are immiscible with each other. Even though if we shake the preparation for 1,000 times, both are going to remain separate from each other. In order to make an homogeneous mixture of these two liquids, we have to add into it a suitable emulsifying agent such as gum acacia in an appropriate quantity, so that one of the liquid will remain in suspended position in the form of globule, making the preparation homogeneous. Thus, we have solved the problem of physical incompatibility which occurred due to immiscibility. In next video, we are going to learn therapeutic incompatibility and chemical incompatibility. Thank you. If you have any queries or suggestions or comments, please contact me at below mobile number or given on email address. Thank you.